Hello and welcome. I have something for you. Today we go with animation of something like the arrow, and I will show you how to make this step by step. I prepared some PNG with 10 elements, and this PNG can be attached into Graphic Designer in WinCC V7. Let's open one window. Let's put into animations. I tried some animations before this video, so you see some bike, some pushers, but this animation is for the future use. First of all, we need to select the graphic object and we need to select one of PNG. As you see on screen, we need to turn off the effects, so we disable the color scheme. So we have the PNG without the background. Our arrow is ready to display on our screen. Now I want to put some examples how to make many of these situations arrows to make the animations movements. So I will copy this 10 times and I will change the PNG file I'm using on this screen. In picture, I change the to PNG and we go forward with 10 elements. Okay, as you see, we have 10 positions of our arrows and we can be sure that we can make the animation for these positions. This kind of stuff we can use in many different options. I will show you only one arrow. You can make some fans or convection or blowers or something, or mixers. Okay, and now I use the formula. The integer is 1, integer is 2, integer is 3, 4, 5, 6 until 10, and I will change the integer in PLC or PLC simulation, and this animation will animate the arrow movements. Okay, so let's prepare all positions and we can find how to make the simulation for this arrow. Okay, and 10. So we have 10 positions. If you want to move with bigger positions, so for example you want to have 30 PNGs, you can make this. Okay, let's start the tag simulation option. In WinCC we need to select the integer and we, for example, make the increment option from 0 to 10. Okay, I put 10 and step increment will be 1. Let's put the simulation start and let's start our simulation. Okay, now the value is 1 and let's start our activation. So we have the value 7, 8, 9, 10 and again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so our animation is working. Now let's change our update cycle for the screen. It will be 500 milliseconds. Now should be working faster than before. Okay, so now let's make the pictures one on second on third, so we have everything in one place. So we will have the animations screen of arrow. As you see, we have many PNG on one place, and we can start our animations. Let's activate our simulation, and we see that our arrow is running. If you want to have, for example, the blower or fan, you can make the same with many PNGs. This is only the one method to make the animation for this kind of situation, but I hope you like this. If you like this, join myscada.com and see you next time. Bye.